ABSLI Jeevan Bachat plan. Will investing in this plan help you build a financially secure future for you and your family in the long run or not? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So before analyzing this plan, let us first understand what is ABSLI Jeevan Bachat plan. So this is a non-linked, non-participating life insurance plan, and some of its key features are you have the flexibility to choose your premium paying term and your policy term. And there is an inbuilt accidental death benefit for your additional protection, and the guaranteed benefits you get on death or maturity are fully guaranteed. Now let's take a look at the benefits available under this plan. First, let's take a look at the death benefit. So the death benefit is given to the nominee in the case of unfortunate death of the policyholder during the policy term. So if you have chosen limited pay or regular pay, your sum assured on death will be the highest of any of the three options. Either it can be the sum assured as the absolute amount to be paid on death, or 10 times your annualized premium, or 105% of your total premiums paid up to the date of death. If you have chosen single pay for your policy, then your sum assured on death will be the highest of any of these two options, which will be the sum assured as the absolute amount to be paid on death, or 125% of your single premium. If the life insured is 18 years or above, then and dies as a result of an accident during the policy term, then addition to this death benefit, an accidental death benefit which is equal to the sum assured on death shall also be payable. And the maturity benefit in this policy is the sum assured plus the guaranteed additions accrued till maturity, which shall be payable as the maturity benefit. And there is also something called guaranteed addition, which if you have chosen limited pay or single pay policies, then the guaranteed additions per thousand of your maturity sum assured will accrue on a monthly basis. And after the completion of your premium paying term till the maturity date, it shall be payable in the event of death of the life insured after the premium paying term or the policy maturity, whichever comes earlier. And if you have chosen a regular pay policy, then the guaranteed additions shall accrue at the end of each policy month from the 8th policy year until the policy maturity. So the guaranteed and also the guaranteed additions you get per annum shall be determined based on the guaranteed addition rate and the maturity sum assured. So these are some of the benefits available under this policy. So now let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages present in the ABSLI Jeevan Bachat plan. So the advantage here is that you can take a loan against your policy with a maximum of 85% of your surrender value. And also it offers you the freedom to choose your premium and sum assured, and the accidental death benefit you get here is an inbuilt feature of this policy. So next, let's take a look at the disadvantages. The disadvantages here is that the returns you get are poor, and the sum assured is also too low to build a financially secure future for your family. So as we have understood the basic details of this policy and briefly understood how this policy works, now let's move on to the main part of the video where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis, which is an analysis on the internal rate of return of this policy. Because no matter the benefits and advantages you might get by investing in a policy, what matters at the end of the day is the returns you get in your hand. So for that purpose, we are going to conduct an IRR analysis of this policy. What we are going to do is, first we are going to assume a 35-year-old male who has chosen to, let's assume that he has chosen to purchase this policy with a sum assured of 5 lakhs. So the premium paying term and the policy term are both 15 years, which requires an annual premium of 50,000. So these premiums are paid regularly, so he will receive the maturity benefit at the end of the policy term. The maturity benefit, if you look at it, as we have calculated, according to the ABSLI Jeevan Bachat plan maturity calculator, comes around to 10.84 lakhs, which yields an IRR of 4.49%. So ABSLI Jeevan Bachat is a long-term investment, but the low return it gives you does not significantly enhance your wealth creation over time or help you even build a financially secure future for your family, because an IRR of 4.49% is not even comparable to the IRR of you can get from a debt instrument like bank FD. There you can at least get a guaranteed return of 6 to 7%, but here you're getting return which is lower than the return from debt instruments. So definitely this is not something you can use to build a financially secure future for your family or help create wealth over time. So what we are going to do is we are going to compare ABSLI Jeevan Bachat products or other alternative strategies available in the market just to see if we can get better yield or better liquidity options in the other options. So now we are going to adopt a different alternative investment strategy. So instead of investing in an insurance cum investment policy like ABSLI Jeevan Bachat plan, what we are going to do here is we are going to separate insurance and investment vehicle just to see if we can gain better returns in this route. So what we are going to do is we are going to choose a pure term insurance policy for insurance purpose. So just for a fair comparison, we are going to use the same metrics. So the life cover we have chosen here is worth a sum assured of 5 lakhs, but the only difference is the premium here cost is just 2500, whereas we paid a premium of 50,000 rupees in the ABSLI Jeevan Bachat plan. And both the policy term and the premium paying term are same as ABSLI Jeevan Bachat plan, which stands for 15 years. So out of 50,000, we are going to pay 2,500 for the premium, and the remaining amount 47,500 can be invested for wealth accumulation purpose. So what we are going to do is we have chosen both high risk fund option and low risk fund option. So for low risk, we have chosen PPF, Public Provident Fund, which is a government backed scheme which gives you guaranteed return along with tax benefits under Section 80C. We have also chosen high risk fund like ELSS mutual funds, which has a track record of potentially giving you 12% per annum if you choose to commit to the fund for more than 7 to 10 years. So according to that, we have calculated the IRR for both these investment vehicles. So first, let's look at the IRR for the combination of term insurance plus PPF. Here you get amount of 12,88,266 rupees with an IRR of 6.51%. A 6.51% is definitely a decent return, and it also is a guaranteed return which is at least comparable to the inflation rate. But if you look at the combination of term insurance plus ELSS, you get a return of 19 lakhs 83,281 rupees. But in ELSS mutual funds, you have to pay tax. So this is the pre-tax value. The post-tax value is 18,66,203 rupees, and it gives you an IRR of 10.7374%, which is definitely an inflation beating return with which you can definitely accumulate wealth and build a financially secure future for your family. So in contrast with the ABSLI Jeevan Bachat plan, which offers you lower returns and slow down your investment growth, these alternative investment strategies help you accumulate good returns in the long run and also help you create a financially secure future for your family. Because even PPF, which is same as ABSLI Jeevan Bachat plan, which has no risk and is giving you guaranteed return, it still offers you better return compared to ABSLI Jeevan Bachat plan because it's giving you 6.51% return, whereas in ABSLI Jeevan Bachat plan you're only getting a return of 4.49%. It's giving you more return compared to that, even though it has no risk. But in ELSS mutual funds, it's giving you a return which is worth the risk you are taking over the long term period. So what is the final verdict? Should we invest in ABSLI Jeevan Bachat plan or not? This is a straightforward endowment plan. You pay up your premiums at your convenience and receive the maturity benefit along with the guaranteed additions at the end of the policy term. But however, the lump sum maturity payment you get at the end of the policy term is not substantial. The traditional endowment plan like ABSLI Jeevan Bachat plan do combine life cover and investment, which might seem convenient for you, but this plan falls short in both aspects because the sum assured is insufficient to meet a family's future needs, and the return on investment is also too low to achieve any financial goals, and also it has a high agent commissions. So this plan fails to effectively serve as either as an insurance or a investment solution. So what you can do is for a better approach, you can secure a adequate life insurance coverage through a pure term insurance policy which offers higher coverage even at affordable prices. Also, to achieve your life goals, you can build an investment portfolio tailored to your risk profile. Even a diversified investment portfolio, which includes debt and equity instruments like PPF or ELSS mutual funds, because a diversified portfolio will help you navigate the volatile financial landscape. So, what you can do is you can definitely separate your insurance and investment vehicle and build a diversified portfolio which can help you gain better inflation beating returns and also build a financially secure future for your family. But if you do not know how to customize a financial plan according to your investment needs and your risk tolerance, you can definitely approach a certified financial planner who will be able to help you navigate through this and help you customize a financial plan according to your needs and craft investment strategies especially for you to achieve your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So involving a financial professional in the long run is will be definitely helpful for you, which you can also consider. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.